Here are the safest nests of birds. Number 1, swallow bird. This bird does not build its nest with twigs but with mud, creating a palace-like home. During summer, their mud nests remain quite cool. These birds build such large nests that there is plenty of space inside. Once their nest is completed, they leave a small hole to enter. If you ever see these mud nests, do not throw stones at them. Number 2, electrician bird. While most birds build their nests on trees, this tiny bird often makes its home on high voltage wires. If you find this strange, just look at this migratory bird.